Hi everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be discussing about this tool called Mangools, and this is the best all-in-one SEO tool. So if you are looking to simply make your website visible on top, this website could really be helpful as it has a lot of features for that purpose. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to get extended free trials as well as free benefits and exclusive rewards, so that are going to be really helpful, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, now coming back to the video, as you can see currently I am on its dashboard. So once you log in, you create your account and get into the website, you will be landing at this spot. Now what I have done in here is I have searched a keyword on the top left side of your screen. If you focus, you will be able to see I have searched a keyword called marketing. Now if I want to analyze this particular keyword, I have various different options, like for example the keywords, the trend search, and the click per the CPC, as you can see, as the PPC. So you can scroll through it and just simply study according to your niche and choose what is the best for you. Also, if you go on the top, you can see you have different type of analysis, like for example SERP analysis. If you head over to that, it will be taking you to that section, and in here you can again enter a keyword. So let me type in here marketing. I will be entering marketing in here. You can see a different type of options are being seen in here. You can see the links, the websites related to those, and the scoring, and the chart is created in front of us for a better analysis. So if you want to load more results, you can simply click on this option at the bottom. So you can see a really nice platform indeed. You also have a rank tracking. So ranking is really important in search engine optimization, so make sure you try that out. And if you want to create some tracking, simply click on create tracking option, enter your domain, so it is going to be tracking each and everything about that particular domain. And you can also specify the location, and yeah, once you do, click on next step is keywords. So yeah, now if you want to simply explore a site, they have a complete feature for that as well. Simply enter your domain in here and you can have a better idea about it. So make sure to try Mangools. This is AI powered site, and yeah, again you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive free benefits. So it is something you should not miss out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share with your friends. Until next time, see you later.